Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. Yeah, but you know, that mom life. I'm gonna be doing a review and it's gonna be on the Smile Brilliant Teeth Whitening System. Disclaimer, this was sent to me to review, but of course, 100% of my opinions are my opinions, and my review is 100% honest as well. So yes. So before we jump into the review part of it, I am going to show you what your kit will include if you are interested in purchasing this. So opening this up, you get your instruction guide, which teaches you how to do your trays and impressions. You get your trays here for your top and bottom of your mouth, and then you get your paste. You get an extra set of paste just in case you do mess up, which is nice. And then you get your gel. So in your system you get 3 desensitizing gels, and then you get 3 of the whitening gels as well. You get some other little goodies in there, and then you get this blue envelope. Mine does not have the return address label on there because of course I obviously sent mine back in and returned it to get my impressions. But you do get it and it's paid for, so you just stick your impressions in there in your trays and then you send it off and then they send back your customized trays. It comes in this nice little white case, and here are my custom trays. So let's go ahead and move on to my review on the product so I don't talk for like 10 million hours and tell you guys what I think about this system. So I do have sensitive teeth, but not like crazy sensitive. I just have sensitivity in some areas because I do have filling in my teeth. What I like about this product is that it comes with a desensitizing gel. So a lot of whitening kits, like strips, things like that, you get that sensitivity and it lingers and it does not go away. I hate that. I've tried a lot of different whitening kits and none of them have a desensitizing gel, that I've tried at least. So that's a really good plus for this kit, especially if you have sensitive teeth. So my first impression on the product when I first did it, the first 10 minutes of putting the whitening gel on, of course, instantly I had sensitivity. I hadn't whitened my teeth for over a year because I was pregnant and I didn't want to whiten it. So my teeth were like, whoo, like they were in shock, let me tell you. But after about 10 minutes or so, the sensitivity went away and I just didn't feel it anymore. The trays sit so comfortable on your teeth because they are customized that I didn't feel like I had this big bulky thing in my mouth. And also you don't have an LED light, so you don't have to like hold that LED light over your teeth for the entire time of you whitening them. It is recommended to whiten your teeth at night because then you can kind of sleep in it and not have any foreign objects in your mouth to ruin the whiteness. For example, I hope that didn't like come off weird. For example, if you whiten in the morning, you brush your teeth and stuff, you are gonna drink coffee, you're gonna drink soda, whatever, you're gonna eat food, and that kind of slows down the process of whitening your actual teeth. So doing it at night, you brush your teeth, you go to bed, you wake up with super white teeth. So I always did it at night, and I did it after the baby was asleep. I also did it while I was in the shower, which I actually prefer to do because you're like doing your thing, you get out of the shower, and then you know, lotion up, whatever you do, and then you take out your trays, you brush your teeth, and you're good to go. So that was nice because it kind of killed 2 birds in 1 stone type of thing. It is also recommended to whiten your teeth for about 45 minutes minimum, up to 3 hours. I'm sorry, as a new mom, 3 hours ain't happening. So 45 minutes was my minimum. I have done it for a max of an hour before. But the whole system is really easy to use, to be honest. So I don't whiten my teeth every day. I did it day 1 and then I stopped the next day and then I did it the next day and then I went 2 days and did it the next day, if that makes sense. Just because I do have a crown on my front tooth and I didn't want to excessively whiten my teeth so that my crown didn't match. But I do feel like it did whiten it a very little, even though it says it's not supposed to. Like the crown just stays that color. I don't know if it's because it's porcelain, but I feel like it whitened it a very little. As for the results, I feel like my teeth have gotten a lot whiter than any other kits I've used. Definitely hands down, I saw results after my first use. I could tell that it was like lifting out all the stains that I had. I drank a lot of coffee. I drink a lot of coffee, and you know that stains the out of your teeth. So the very first day I did it, I saw results. And that's probably why I didn't need to do it every single day, because I was like, oh wow, the first day I'm like on Snapchat like, hey, look at my teeth. So I didn't have to like keep using it. So if you want your teeth like super white, then do it every single day. Use the whole kit, and you'll have really white teeth. But I am pleasantly surprised with this teeth whitening kit, like super surprised. I mean, I thought it was going to be good, but I didn't think it was going to be this good that quickly. Hands down, a really good kit. I love the custom trays. I love the like easiness of it, especially being a mom. I know 45 minutes is a long time, but when I put them down for bed and I get ready for my bedtime, because I do have like an hour or two before I go to sleep after I put them down, it's like my time to kind of pamper myself. And just because I'm a mom and I drink a lot of coffee, I don't think I should have yellow teeth. I want a beautiful smile too. So as a mom, I think the easiness of it was nice, because the quicker the teeth whitening systems, like those quick strips and things like that, feel like just doesn't do the trick fast enough. So it's good, because if you can just do once a week and 45 minutes and you'll like see results right away, then that's better than me whitening my teeth with strips every single day for 20 minutes or whatever the time frame is for that. So I definitely enjoyed the ease of this kit. I definitely recommend them. Check them out. I will leave their link down below. I also have a discount code for them. You don't have to use it, but hey, if you don't want to save money like baller, don't need to save money, but you get $15 off trays and 5% off site-wide. So check that out if you're interested. I will also be doing a giveaway, and I will have the giveaway information down below, so check that out. And it's open to the US, Canada, and Australia, so 3 countries. Someone from one of those countries can win a whole set for themselves. And if you do win it, please tag me. Please send me before and after pictures. I want to see all the pictures, and I want to know your experience. So yeah. And here making a special appearance in my video is my bubs. Hi bubs. Are mommy's teeth white? Yeah, mommy's teeth are so white, huh? Yeah, yeah. Can you say hi to everybody? Yeah? Say hi. Say hi. That's him saying hi, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. Mwah, mwah.